Welcome everybody. Thank you all so much for joining me here today. My name is Pritesh with Kaizen Crypto. This is a closeout video for our Fund9 Project Catalyst proposal for the Cardano 101 course. So the name of the project in idea scale is Cardano 101 course for KaizenCrypto. I am the project manager, and we started this project back in November 2022, and here we are wrapping up in 2025. So it took us maybe the better part of a couple of years to put this all together, just between creating the content, the scripts, editing, all that kind of stuff. So it's definitely a process, but I'm really happy that we're finally able to wrap up this proposal. Going over into the KPIs and what are some of the key achievements that we've made. Basically, the idea of this course was to create an A to Z style format for people who are new to crypto and who want to get involved with Cardano, and giving them the tools and the resources and the knowledge to get up to speed with Cardano. And we started at a very high level, just giving people an overview of what is blockchain, and we progressed gradually and going into more technical topics such as Mithril and Hydra and some of the things more relevant to Cardano. So what we have now is a completed course on YouTube. We've got all 36 lessons, so 35 video lessons plus the introduction puts us at 36. So you can see here, these are all published to our YouTube channel. And we have definitely gotten quite a bit of positive feedback on YouTube and on X. So I'm really grateful for everybody who's been watching these videos and liking and commenting. It really does mean the world to us, and really appreciate your support. But basically, you can now check out this playlist. I will be sure to link it in this video description as well. Check it out. Just go to KaizenCrypto, search it on YouTube. You'll be able to see that there. And some of the things that I wanted to show you related to our process. So we use the Frame platform to be able to collaborate with our video editor. I really love this platform. So if you're looking for a great platform to collaborate with a video editor, let's say if you have a team, this is really good because you can actually upload the files and you can make edits at time-stamped marks. So the person who's editing your videos can see exactly where he needs to go and make a change. So that's a really cool feature of this platform. But we have all these lessons which were in progress for that period of time, and now you can see they're all here approved. That means they're final products and they're published to the YouTube channel. So we are pretty much finished with this proposal, and some of the key takeaways and some of the key learnings. So it definitely took a lot longer than we initially anticipated, and the reason is because a lot of this information is constantly changing. And then also, just to be able to do all this in addition to our other proposals which got funded, it's quite a bit of moving pieces here, so just juggling the workload really was the main thing. But nonetheless, slow and steady wins the race, and here we are closing out this proposal. I would highly recommend that you check this out if you are looking to help onboard more people into Cardano, because I think this is a great resource of information for people who might be new, or they really just want something that's kind of high level and they want to get an idea of if it's something that they're interested in. So definitely would recommend that. You know, we've been able to use this platform to grow on X and on YouTube. So I think it's a great way to be able to facilitate education and further conversations within the ecosystem. So next steps, we actually did put in a proposal for Fund 11 as well to build on top of this proposal. And what we're going to do is we're going to translate these lessons into other popular languages. So that's going to be our next step. Definitely quite a bit of work to do there. So now that we have all these lessons out and published on YouTube, you'll see in the future different playlists on the YouTube channel that include the Cardano 101 course in Spanish or in Hindi, for example. So that's going to be the next steps for us here as we move forward. So some of the final thoughts just to close out this video and keep it short. Thank you so much to everybody who voted for this proposal that allowed us to get the funding that we needed to put this proposal together. Big shout out to the Duck Pool, Andrew Westberg, and Holger, 3 prominent community members who were able to review all of this content. So this content has been peer reviewed by the Cardano community as well to check for correctness. So a big thank you to them. And thank you everybody who has been watching these videos, liking and commenting. It really does mean a lot. So that is what I have for you here today, everybody, in this closeout video. I want to keep it short. We are closing out the Cardano 101 course. All right, everybody. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.